Ensure a professional tile installation with QEP's best-selling lash leveling system for floor and wall tiles. Trusted by industry professionals, LASH is designed to level, align, space, and hold your tile to prevent lippage. Lippage is a difference in height between tiles that cause an uneven tile surface which not only look bad, but can lead to a tripping hazard. LASH is a patented two-part system. Part A. The tile leveling clips are designed to hold tiles from underneath while still allowing the mortar to grip the tile. Part B. The tile leveling wedges are reusable wedges which lock into clips, holding the tile at an even height. Use wood tile from 1/4 to 7/16 inch, along with a QEP 1/4 by 3/8 by 1/4 inch or larger square notch trowel. Install LASH in 3 easy steps. Place the clip under the tile and into the mortar. Slide the reusable LASH wedge into each clip. For easier installation and for use with larger tiles, QEP LASH Pro pliers quickly set the clip onto the wedge without over-tightening. Over-tightening the clips may cause them to break. Once the mortar is cured, tap to remove clips at the break-off point. Be sure to save the LASH wedges so that they can be reused for future projects. The LASH Tile Leveling System produces an even 1/16 inch grout line. Save time while achieving professional results by using LASH on your next installation.